Right now, the UK is preparing to follow the same path as the US, Canada, and several EU countries by introducing an exit tax. And if you're a business owner, investor, or anyone holding assets that went up in value, this could hit you harder than income tax ever did. Here's what the UK is considering: a 20% tax on unrealized capital gains when you leave the country, meaning not a tax on what you sold, but a tax on what the UK thinks your assets are worth the day you leave. So if you build a business from zero and it's now valued at £10 million, or the government decides it is, you could face a £2 million tax bill even if you don't have £2 million in cash. That's the danger. The government can assign a value to your company, your crypto, your investments, while you don't actually have that liquidity to pay that bill. Real estate may be exempt, but crypto won't be. If you bought Bitcoin at £10,000 and it's now £100,000, even if you don't want to sell, you'd still owe exit tax on the gains. You'd be forced to sell part of your position just to cover the tax. This is why thousands of wealthy individuals are already leaving the UK every year, over 16,000 millionaires annually, and moving their tax residency to places like Dubai, Ireland, Italy, and Portugal. And it's also why second citizenship is exploding in demand. People who never cared about the second passport or residency now realize they need a plan B in case the UK tightens rules even further. If I were a UK investor today, I would do 3 things immediately. 1. Move my tax residency before any exit tax is introduced. 2. Set up a business and invest in real estate in a 0% or low tax country like Dubai to obtain residency. 3. Secure a second passport or residency so the UK can box me in. Now, Dubai is currently the easiest and most straightforward option. 0% income tax, 9% corporate tax, no wealth tax, no exit tax, full asset protection, and a government that supports business instead of suffocating it. But here's what most UK investors don't know. Even if you live abroad, HMRC can still consider you a UK tax resident depending on how many days you spent in the UK, where your home is, where your family lives, and where your income comes from. This is where many people get trapped. If you want to avoid these mistakes and move your assets, investments, and tax residency safely, we're hosting a free live webinar on Monday, December the 15th at 7:30 p.m. London time, where we explain everything clearly. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. If you want to stay in control of your wealth, this is the webinar you cannot afford to miss. If you want to see more videos like these, like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you want more information about investing in Dubai real estate, watch this video right here, right now.